What's up? This is Michael Smith from TimeToLevelUp.net. Been a while, shot a video. So I'm gonna show you the following process, what I did within the last 24 hours. But before that, I would like to show you a couple other things. So if you come to my channel and subscribe, I really appreciate that. And I usually hold on. I usually listen to this before I go to sleep. So this is just to keep in line with yourself, what you're doing, and to keep the process going. And you want to be always be in the highest vibration ever. That is the law of attraction, if you didn't know that. So let's go to Clickbank. Okay. Show you the couple of things I did in the last 24 hours. Okay. Bear with me here. So as you can see, this is a fresh Clickbank account. Not even a month old. So, I was just building up attraction. So last week was like $43.16 I made. And this current week made $1,000, not even a full week. And today, let me see. Today I made $458.50. So let's go down here and see. Smooth. Let's refresh the page once more. Okay. So if you want to work from home, want a little bit of time freedom, or want to have a little side hustle, then I will have a couple links below for you to get started.